Welcome to Wealth Up, a channel about personal finance and building wealth. We are now done with the third quarter of the year and have one left to go. Let's be sure to focus on our financial plan and finish the year off strong. September 2022 was another rough month. The market did not do well and took a big hit, and inflation continues to be high. A concern about a recession or a slow in the market seems inevitable, as we see issues with the British pound on the horizon, and the situation in China seems even worse. Even with everything going on, it is still important to continue to work off of your financial plan. If things have changed in your life, it is a good time to revisit the plan and adjust where necessary. Maybe the things that were prioritized at the beginning of the year are no longer a priority. It is a good time to look at the plan and make any adjustments. Let's jump into my net worth analysis. I do this every month, although I have missed posting a few months this year. I share it with you all to see how there are ups and downs, but it is important to stick to your financial plan and make progress based on your individual goals. If you are new here, net worth is a way to measure your financial health. Net worth is the difference between the value of your assets and your liabilities or debts. Assets are anything you own of value, anything that you could sell and turn into cash, even if it is a long selling process like it would be for a house. Liabilities or debts are any money that you owe. Basically, if you are making a monthly payment anywhere, it should be included here. What I recommend is to make a simple spreadsheet in Excel or Google Sheets and keep track of these values. Once you have the template made, it is very easy to go in and update it regularly. It is important to say that your net worth does not define you, but it can be used to see how you are making progress over time. The number itself is not very telling. It is more useful to have the number in context and to track it over time. You want your net worth to be growing or becoming less negative if that is your situation. It is also important to not compare your number to my numbers or anyone else's numbers for that matter. You should be comparing it to your previous numbers and to your targets. Everyone is at a different stage in life, has different priorities, and started from a different place, making it unfair to compare net worth values to other people. Now let's see the value of my assets. For me, my categories include my house and a rental property, which is combined into a real estate bucket, my car, investments, and cash. For September 2022, the value of my real estate was $488,000, my car was $16,000, my investments $238,500, and I have $49,500 in cash. This brings my total assets to a value of $792,000. Let's take a moment to compare these to January 2022. Real estate has lost appreciation compared to the beginning of the year. It is not surprising since the real estate market has been growing at record levels for a few years now. My car did not change in value. My investments have also decreased. These past few weeks and months have been rough. Nonetheless, I continue investing. My cash savings are also down since I did some work on the rental property, and I also took several international vacations with my family and used cash that I had set aside in sinking funds. From the numbers, it doesn't look like I am doing well and may need to reevaluate what I am doing. However, these are normal market dynamics. A correction in the real estate market was expected, and it could continue. The values may go down even more. This does not concern me, and it will all be okay in the long term. The dip in the market is also not a surprise. Again, these are normal market dynamics and corrections are frequent. The thing to keep in mind is that over the long term, the market will continue to grow, and I should take advantage of the current discount and continue adding to my portfolio. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research. It is not reflected in the table, but throughout the year I have invested a total of $53,000. This is through my employer 401k, an employee stock purchase plan, and a taxable account. This is higher than my target for this time of the year. This is because I've taken extra cash that I had come in during the year and invested it. Now on to my debts. My debts are my mortgage and the mortgage on the rental property, again all in one category, and student loans. If you have any credit card debt or any other debts, this is where you would include them. For September, the mortgages for both properties totaled $328,000, and my student loans are $12,000. Although a loan forgiveness program has been communicated, I will not delete this until it is officially gone. Adding both of these brings my total debts to $340,000. Now, to calculate my net worth, I simply need to subtract my debts from my assets, which would be $797,000 minus $340,000, which equals $457,000. This means my net worth as of September 2022 is $457,000. Although it has taken a hit due to the market decrease, I am happy with where I stand. Now I'll focus on finishing out the year strong and sticking to my investing plan. Are you tracking your net worth? How did it go this month? No matter where you are on your journey, stay on track and follow your financial plan, and try to stay motivated. As always, thank you for watching until the end. Remember to hit the like button if you have enjoyed the content, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. If you want to see regular content, you could add me on Instagram at wealth_up. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.